Unveiling opulence on a budget. 5 affordable luxury hotels in Dubai. Dubai, a city synonymous with opulence and extravagance, has long been a playground for the wealthy seeking the epitome of luxury. However, a growing trend in the hospitality industry has made luxury accommodations more accessible to a broader spectrum of travelers. This video explores 5 affordable luxury hotels in Dubai that redefine the notion of opulence without breaking the bank. 1. Rove Downtown, where modernity meets affordability. Located in the heart of downtown Dubai, Rove Downtown stands as a beacon of contemporary elegance. With its sleek design and strategic location, this hotel offers an affordable yet luxurious experience. The rooms, adorned with modern furnishings and state-of-the-art amenities, provide a comfortable retreat after a day of exploring the city. Guests can relish the panoramic views of the iconic Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, from the hotel's rooftop. Rove Downtown's affordability, combined with its central location, makes it an excellent choice for travelers seeking a taste of luxury without the exorbitant price tag. 2. Zabeel House by Jumeirah, a stylish oasis. Situated in the vibrant neighborhood of Al Seef, Zabeel House by Jumeirah blends contemporary design with traditional elements, creating a stylish oasis for budget-conscious travelers. The hotel's attention to detail is evident in its chic interiors and personalized service. Each room is a testament to modern comfort, featuring plush furnishings and artistic touches. The rooftop pool and lounge offer a serene escape, allowing guests to unwind against the backdrop of Dubai's skyline. Zabeel House by Jumeirah redefines affordable luxury by seamlessly integrating style and comfort within a reasonable budget. 3. Vita Downtown, tranquility in the urban jungle. Nestled in the bustling Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard, Vita Downtown presents a tranquil retreat amidst the urban jungle of Dubai. This boutique hotel embodies sophistication, with its minimalist design and attention to detail. The rooms exude a sense of calm, providing a respite from the vibrant energy of the city. Guests can enjoy the hotel's proximity to iconic landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall. Vita Downtown's affordability makes it an attractive option for travelers seeking a serene yet stylish haven in the heart of Dubai. 4. Raffles Dubai, old world charm, new age affordability. Raffles Dubai, a name synonymous with luxury, may seem an unlikely candidate for affordability. However, this hotel manages to combine old world charm with new age affordability, creating a unique blend of extravagance and budget friendliness. The spacious rooms and suites are adorned with elegant furnishings and offer panoramic views of the city. Raffles Dubai also boasts a distinctive pyramid-shaped architecture, setting it apart in the city's skyline. The hotel's diverse dining options, including the renowned Raffles Salon, cater to the gastronomic desires of its guests. Raffles Dubai proves that luxury can be accessible without compromising on the grandeur that defines the city. 5. Jumeirah Creekside Hotel, luxury retreat by the creek. Situated near Dubai Creek, Jumeirah Creekside Hotel offers a retreat from the city's hustle and bustle while maintaining proximity to key attractions. The hotel's architecture seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings, creating a serene ambiance. The rooms, adorned with contemporary decor, provide a comfortable haven for guests. Jumeirah Creekside Hotel stands out with its world-class amenities, including a state-of-the-art fitness center and access to the Wild Wadi Water Park. The hotel's commitment to luxury extends to its dining options, ensuring that guests experience culinary excellence within the confines of affordability. Conclusion: Dubai's hospitality landscape is evolving, with a growing number of affordable luxury hotels catering to a diverse range of travelers. The 5 hotels discussed in this essay showcase that opulence in Dubai is no longer exclusive to the elite. Through a thoughtful combination of design, amenities, and strategic locations, these hotels redefine luxury, making it accessible to a broader audience. As travelers increasingly seek value for their money, these affordable luxury hotels in Dubai serve as beacons of extravagance without compromising on budget constraints. In this evolving era of travel, experiencing the allure of Dubai's opulence is no longer a distant dream but a tangible reality for those seeking affordable luxury. If you liked this video, please click the subscribe button and share.